Hey guys, I'm Singh and you're watching Tech AtoZ, and today I'm going to review this Yantralay 3-way GoPro stick, which is for action cameras and stuff. It's knockoffs, knockoff of GoPro 3-way stick, which is very expensive, but this one is cheap. I bought it from Amazon in 599 rupees. So when you open it, you get a smartphone mount. It's a basic smartphone mount, the cheapest one. Basically, you can use it as your smartphone holder for selfie stick and stuff. So you get this. You get an adapter for from GoPro mount to 1x4 inch tripod screw mount. So you can mount this smartphone mount. I'm saying mount too many times. But hey, there's a screw for your GoPro mount. Here's a lanyard cable. This smartphone mount, by the way, I'm not fan of it at all. I don't like these kinds of mount. These cheapest of cheap mounts, especially these spring-loaded ones, because they don't last a lot. They break in, if you are using it regularly, in a month or two they'll be gone, especially the rubber padding that's there to hold your smartphone from falling off. And this is 3-way stick, so that's all. Of course, this is 3-way stick, so there's 3 parts to it, and there are these screws, thumb screws or whatever you can say. So you do this and this part will open, but this part will not open. It doesn't matter how much you loosen this screw. You have to press this button to open this part, and when you will push it down, it will stop at this point. You have to press this button to make it go full down. This is the functionality. So this is fully open, and tighten this screw, and then this. So you can see it's not as long as you would expect when you see this in pictures and stuff, but again, it's not cheating or anything, because they mentioned the size. It's 19 centimeter, approximately 1.5 feet, a little bit, just a little bit more, not a lot. And of course, there's a tripod system in it, so you have to open from here. Hopefully I got the B-roll for that, and just flip it and screw it back in like this. But the problem is that this tripod system is, I don't know why it's crooked. As you can see, it's crooked here. You can see it's crooked in the left side, and if it would have been straight, it would be like this, but it's like this here, crooked. So I actually exchanged this 3-way stick. I bought it once and it was crooked, of course. So I told them the reason that it's crooked and I want to exchange it. They sent a new one, completely new, and not opened at all, sealed, but with the same problem. So I think that's how they are made, that's how they are manufactured. So yeah, you can't do a lot about it, but you can maneuver it in a way that it's not crooked left or right. It would be crooked backward or forward, and then you can maneuver your camera to make your recordings completely level. Like if you see this, it's crooked on this side, but if I maneuver it, basically I loosen it little bit and just keep losing. You can see now it's crooked a lot, and then I'll keep loosening it. Okay, now you can see it looks almost straight on the camera like this, but it's actually crooked forward. So it's not crooked sideways. Your recording would not be off leveled. Your recording would be leveled, but it would record downwards. So you have to adjust your camera and rotate it upward. So I mean, why would you do it? It's you buy it for convenience. So you are using it as 3-way stick, and then suddenly you need to put it on a tripod. You flip this thing out, you take this thing out and just flip it, screw back in, you got a tripod. But if you have to do this many things, you have to maneuver this much, I don't think this has any use than the tripod functionality. And when you come to stick functionality, its main functionality is the 3-way stick functionality, using it for vlogging and stuff. So I've used my GoPro 10 for that, and I have to tighten every screw to the limit to get it stay on, not bend immediately. But it's still not very stable. It's flexing a little bit. If you are walking or just standing somewhere, just filming yourself or filming other stuff, it's fine. But when you start to jog or run a little, it will go down. The even fully tightening of the screws will not like prevent it from going down. So yeah, it's quite flimsy and not very sturdy. Now you can use it in another way. If you loosen all these screws and put this thing all back together like this, you can use it as like grip for vlogging and stuff. But then why would you buy this? You can buy a floaty, cheap floaty. You'll get a floaty in this price, or even in less than this price, maybe below 500. That would be that you can use as like grip, and also if you drop your phone in the water and stuff, it would float. So there will be additional functionality for that. And again, why would you buy any of that when you have an alternative? You have like multiple alternatives, better alternatives in the same price range. Because this seems very cheap, and I won't trust my expensive GoPro 10 or any GoPro cameras, because these cameras are very expensive. So I won't trust them with it. Even though they are impact proof and all that stuff, still I won't trust them with these things. This I bought for like 600 rupees, and if you like spend 100 or 200 rupees more, you can buy a very good selfie stick, which I bought, by the way, and I'm going to review it soon, maybe next video. I'll post a comparison video between both, and also dedicated review for that one, that stick. So that's way better than this one. I don't know why is this costing 600 rupees. Maybe because it has same design like GoPro 3-way stick. So if you like this video, you can press the like button. If you disliked it, you can also press dislike button, but dislike doesn't count anymore, it doesn't show. So you would be better off commenting in the comment section and telling what's wrong with the video. So maybe do that. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, best of luck.